Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Thai dishes, Pad Thai. The ingredients that you will need for this dish are fish sauce, any type of spicy or chili hot sauce. I'm using Tun Uk, or you can use Sriracha. A tamarind concentrate, you can find this at an Asian grocery store. White vinegar and lime juice. You will also need garlic cloves, large rice noodles, bean sprouts, sugar, some garlic chives, and green onion. You also need protein. I am using shrimp, and about 1 to 2 eggs. The first thing you're going to want to do is get a big bowl of hot water. Place the rice noodles inside the bowl and let it soak. To make the Pad Thai sauce, go ahead and get a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Next, add in 3 tablespoons of the tamarind paste. Add in 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Next, add in 1 or 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar and go ahead and mix well. Make sure to wash your bean sprouts thoroughly and set aside. Peel and mince your garlic or use a garlic press. After washing the garlic chives, go ahead and cut off the ends and then cut into 2-inch lengths. In a pan, heat about a tablespoon of oil and then saute the minced garlic for about 30 seconds. Add in the shrimp and cook thoroughly. Once the shrimp is cooked, go ahead and move it to the side and then add in a little bit more oil and then crack your 2 eggs into the pan. Let it sit for about 30 seconds and then start scrambling it. After about 20 to 30 minutes, your noodles should have softened. Go ahead and add some of the noodles to the pan. And go ahead and mix to combine. Next, add in the Pad Thai sauce and mix and make sure that everything is coated. Then you're going to add in the bean sprouts as much as you'd like and some of the garlic chives. Give it one last stir and then you are ready to plate. Enjoy!